everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy Christmas season. I know, too early, but it's my favorite season of the year, Christmas and my birthday. So finally we're putting up the Christmas tree. This is our little Christmas tree. We study in Leeds, so this is not our home. That's why it's too small. Look how fast we decorated. So it's this cute little pink Christmas tree. I just want you for my own. So this is Bonfire Night. In England they celebrate like Bonfire Night, so it's like a night with fireworks. So pretty.
I wanna.
This is the next day. We're to a cafe to try the new Christmas drinks. I got the Black Forest hot chocolate and Andreas got latte, ginger, something. So yeah. Black Forest and cream hot choc. I just can't wait to try it. Looks so yummy. Let's try this. It smells like Black Forest.
How does a Black Forest smell? What?
Like a cake. It's amazing. Come on. Black Forest, like, you're gonna love it. You love berries. Come on, be honest. Be honest.
I mean, it's nice.
It's nice. It's amazing.
It's actually.
Because you love fruits.
I want to show you what I got from supermarket because I'm planning to make this meal this weekend. Today's Friday, so I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make it like on Saturday, Sunday later in this vlog, so stay tuned. So I got these noodles from Baron Naked. Anyways, so it's only 15 calories. 15 calories per serving. So this whole package are 2 servings, as says there, like 2 servings. So the whole package is 30 calories. 30 calories. So are these noodles, 0 fat, low in calories. So I got this one and I'm planning to make it with soya sauce, shrimps, broccoli, a little bit of onion and tofu, marinara tofu. I never made tofu before in my whole life, but I tried it in a restaurant once, but I never tried it to make it, so it's gonna be fun. We're gonna see. So tofu, noodles, I got tomatoes just for breakfast, I got the broccoli for all my meals, but mostly for this meal over there for weekend. And also I got 1 onion just for flavor of the food that I'm gonna make, especially tofu. So I cannot wait to show you the recipe and I really hope that it's gonna turn out good because this thing, it's gonna make me so full and the calories are so low. So it's gonna be my favorite meal if this is going to be nice and tasty. So can't wait.
Oh my god, I am not okay. They can't speak, I can't talk. I'm in love. Look at these cute little ornaments. Oh my goodness. This is gold, glittery. Cinderella's. Oh my god, Cinderella's pumpkin. I'm in love. I can't speak. When I saw it, I screamed. And I'm serious, I screamed. When I saw it, it was the last one. And I'm so glad that I went today. Oh my god. Look at this. Paris. Okay, in love. This is pink. Okay, I can't. I love them so much. I'm so happy. So I'm gonna show you now the recipe that I told you with the noodles. I'm cooking the salmon on the pan. I put a little bit oil and throw the onions, the broccoli. I seasoned with this nor. It's like different kind of spices and salt.
Now I need to stain the noodles like that.
Like that, because they had so many liquid inside.
Perfect. So this is 2 servings. And all these noodles have 30 calories.
And then I will throw them into the pan.
They look delicious. I tried one noodle. The flavor is just insane. So as you can see, the noodles changes colors because of the seasonings, the oils, the salmon, you know, the juices of the broccoli. So that's good. Now I'm gonna add the teriyaki sauce. I got the one that is thick because I don't like the watery. You can add soy sauce and teriyaki. I'm gonna add only teriyaki. Like, I add 2 tablespoons. Maybe I'm gonna add another one. Okay, let's see. I put them in this tupper because they're a lot and I will have tonight as well for dinner. So I could put eggs as well, fried eggs. I totally forgot, but it's okay, next time. So it looks so delicious and yummy, can't wait to eat.
So good, oh my god. So I'm gonna watch Wizards of Waverly Place on Disney Plus. And then I'm gonna have studies to do for around 6 hours. Yeah. So, yeah. Day in the life. We need to do laundry as well and hoover my room. And tonight we're gonna go also to gym. So yeah, literally day in the life.
Look how cute. I got a hot chocolate with marshmallow, fresh cream and flake. Oh my god, how Christmassy. Love it.
Oh my god, so cute. Oh my god, the cutest. So this is fragrance shop? Yeah, they made it. Ta-da! So pretty. We are in Yankee Candle and oh my god, Andreas found the best candle ever. The black cherry. Oh my god, you need to smell that. And the Christmas cookie. Insane. Oh my god, look at this mini cute Yankee Candle. This is car refrigerator. Refrigerator? I said car refrigerator.
Car refrigerator, you know the washing machine?
How you said that? Car jar. This is what car jar, like car perfume. So look at these, they're like lamps. Wow. So cute, Christmassy. Oh my god.
Wow.
600 pounds. Look inside, baby.
Wow.
There's inside too. Wow. We wanna get the Disney castle. It's very...
No, I want Disney. I want the Disney castle as well, but this is amazing. Wow.
It's really nice. The Disney castle is very tall. It's around until there.
1 meter and 20 centimeters.
1 meter Lego house. Home Alone. Wow, Home Alone. Baby, look, it's decorated with Christmas. Harry Potter. This is the city. The Hogwarts. I love Harry Potter. That's the Disney castle. Oh my god. Look. So we're in John Lewis. We're sitting at Pret Cafe. Andreas got vanilla caramel latte, got caramel latte hot. And look at this. Shopping. No, not really. My face wash ran out, so I needed a new one, and I went from Khiels. The first time that I went, the lady gave me like 2 samples to try the Cantella cleanser. It was nice, but it left me like oily results, so I went back to the Khiels and I've tried another one. So this is what I bought. So this is what I got, the Khiels Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil Herbal Cleanser. This is for very sensitive skins like me that I have acne. The ingredients are 90% natural or 99, I'm not sure. So yeah, I've tried it on my hands there. So actually this was new. She didn't have any samples to give me to try, but I tried it there on my hands with water, and the result, oh my god, I felt my hands so cold and so fresh and clean. So I went with this one, and she told me if I don't like it, I can exchange it with the Cantella that I've tried. But I'm not 100% fan of Candela because it was kind of buttery when I rinsed it out. So yeah, I got this one. It smells weird, but you have an amazing fresh result, like cool fresh result. So this is what I got. This is my new cleanser. So yeah, perfect. I'm so curious to try it. I really hope I'm not gonna have breakouts, but she told me 100% I won't have breakouts because they're natural ingredients. 3 samples. So there, this is the daily reviving concentrate oil. It's like a serum, day serum. You can mix it with your moisturizer or whatever, and actually you just put 2 drops and you press it on your face. You just press it. You have better results. So yeah, this is a daily serum. I wanted the night serum, the blue one, but she didn't have ones. But she didn't have any samples, so she gave me the daily. And yeah,